Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. We have koi fish outside, and it's really important to us that we give them good food because that way they can weather the elements and just in general be healthy and durable fish for us for our enjoyment. So I got this food that's from Next Day Koi, and it's the Blue Ridge Koi Pellets. I really like it because it has higher protein. It says that it has extra spirulina, which is really important for fish because it helps them to fight bacteria and things that may get into their water supply. It also has added probiotics, which is great for the fish as well, as it is for anybody really. So the container itself is really good, definitely mice-free, preventative, and I really like that feature. I love when pet food comes in plastic containers. The pellets themselves are pretty small in size and great for the koi fish. They really go for the food as soon as we put it into the water, as you can see. They definitely just even come running when they hear the shaking of the container, which is pretty funny. And just this great supply. It will definitely last us for the whole year of seasons. I also like this food because it is a year-round variety. A lot of them are seasonal, which in my opinion, I just feel that that's not necessary, but this one is great for year-round. So a great purchase and good food for the koi fish, and that is my point of view.